Well, hello guys, welcome to Crypto Console, and today we're gonna see about the Fractal Bitcoin node setup. So Fractal announced their mainnet launch on September 9th, which is only 4 days apart. So let's see about the project. The Fractal Bitcoin is, imagine that the Bitcoin ecosystem which has trillions of dollar valuation, which is moving into layer 2. So the Fractal supports the swapping, dexes, and a lot of things. So the main talk of the town is about the Fractal. So there are two things. So one is Fractal Bitcoin and another one is OPNet. So a lot of people don't know about the OPNet. So OPNet is nothing but open network on Bitcoin ecosystem. So there are a lot of DEXs, NFT protocols, staking platform and the Ruins ecosystem BRC20 are integrating with OPNet. I'll talk about in another detailed content. So for today we'll see about the Fractal. So Fractal has two kind of technical support system to gather the network in a unique mechanism. So one thing is for builders, so it is about the node running, and another thing is for miners. So it's basic on the same concept of Bitcoin. So you need to attain the proof of work, so you can actually mine tokens just like Bitcoin. So right now let me show you this. So this is their GitHub, and these are the mining logs. For mining, you need to have first the node running on the same GPU or CPU miner. You can actually run in both for now, but it's advisable to run on the GPU or a ASIC miner. So it has a better hash rate than a CPU or a minimum level GPU. So these are the configuration. So if you need to mine the tokens, you can actually mine through your alone pool, or you can join in the mining pool for in another company. So for now the Fairpool is offering the mining pool, so you need to create a user account and just follow the steps for integrating the mining pool with your device. So that's one thing. So let's see about the tokenomics. So see, the 10% of the tokens are allocated for the community grants and 50% is allocated for the mining. So actually a lot of tokens are allocated for mining purpose. So it's a gold mine for the miners. Okay, now let's hop into the node setup guide. So you guys all know that Binance also support the Fractal Bitcoin, and a lot of other backers are involved in this. So you need to get in early. So it is advisable to do the testnet task daily. So follow that, and you can also read the what is the Fractal Bitcoin is about here. And this is our YouTube channel. We post videos on nodes and testnet task. So unfollow the X and join the Telegram group. This is important, so I can regularly post things on there. So let's see about the requirements. So requirements are similar to the Contobo VPS1. You need to at least have the latest version or minimum the Ubuntu 22.04, and 4 GB RAM and 100 GB disk space is advisable. And let's set up the. So a lot of people are lagging on this login of using the putty. So for this, you need to enter your IP address in the prefix. This root thing is I log in as the root user. If you guys have any other user created on your VPS, you can actually type that name. So for now root, and the ERT is I am entering through my IP address, so I am using the ERT symbol, and the SSH connection is the port 22. So you can also open any other port on using the TCP connection, but the default connection is port 22. So you need to log in like this, user followed by IP address. You can also, let me show you another way. You can also use the IP address alone and connect to the port. Just open, so it will ask you the what are you or who are logging as. If you have different users if you are working in a project, the project has many other users. So right now let's say I'm the root user, I'm logging as root. So it will ask for my password. I'm gonna enter the password. So enter the password, so like this. So let's set up the guide. First I'm gonna install the dependencies. So the Fractal node can be installed in two different ways. One is the service way that I followed here, but you can also use the Docker. Why I'm using the service way is I'm gonna run it for 24/7, so you cannot trust the VPS it can be turned off anytime. So the service file is always wake up your node. That's why I'm using the service file version. So but the Docker is more convenient and efficient way. You can also try this. You can go to the docs of Fractal Bitcoin GitHub. You can actually find it there. So those are the things. Just wait for a couple more minutes. So the dependencies are installed. I'm gonna clone the library and I'm going to extract the file, and then I'm gonna change the directory. And I also made a directory called data, and I'm gonna copy the configuration file to the data folder. So I copied, and I'm going to create a service file for this. So you can see here restart always. So it will restart always even though your VPS is restarted or shut down by the server. So this command is actually enabling the service and starting the service. See, the service file is worked and the service are started. And I'm going to check the logs. So see, the logs are updating. You can see that outbound peer is connected. If you guys followed all these steps, you will see the block heights also increasing in a couple of moments, and also you can see the height of blocks. So if anything went wrong, you will always see the outbound peer is not connected and trying for another outbound. So this is the successful version of node setup. You can see the transactions, and the tip is nothing but the fees like things for your node is running good and the transactions are updating through your node and the blocks are also syncing. So this is the thing, and I'm going to exit the blocks. Exited. So the creating wallet is a node, the general part of the node. For node running, there is no wallet creation or involved, but I went some deep. I also created for my IP address to create a wallet using this. So for now, only wallet that supporting Fractal Bitcoin is Unisat. So I'm going to create a wallet using the Fractal, and I'm going to upload the private key into my Unisat, and I'm also going to test the some of the specifications like the swaps, minting, and inscribing things. So let's see. So the wallet name is wallet for now, and the wallet is created. And if I want to check my private key, I need to run this. I'm going to pause the screen and run this. So I will get a private key. So I ran the command. I also got the private key that is in the next line. You need to already have an account on this Unisat wallet. So that's how you're gonna import the private key. So I already have an Unisat wallet. So I'm just going to here and press this plus symbol and restore from single private key and enter your private key. So I'm just going to pause the screen and repause. So I imported the wallet. So after importing the wallet, you need to select the address type to taproot. Okay, it will ask while you importing the private key. So select taproot as your address type and select the Fractal Bitcoin testnet and copy the address key. So I also updated the faucet link. So right now the faucet is empty. So when the faucet returns, I will update it in my Telegram. So just paste the address and click claim. It will automatically deposit 0.1 FTB. So and then you need to go and finish this testnet task because you only have 4 days. So grind as much as you can. I posted a detailed guide on our Twitter. So here you can see the wallet link and inscriptions and swapping. So these are the things you need to do before September 9th. And you can check the Explorer. So let me quickly do this. I already have an wallet, so I'm going to copy the address from there. I'm going to copy. So this is the testnets. There are a lot of maintenance work going on right now for this swap, so you need to wait and you need to do before September 9th. Hope they will put it on live before the September 9th. So right now the swapping is enabled, so I'm just going to show you guys this. So this is my wallet, and I'm going to swap the test sats. So you need to select the test sats that I mentioned in this guide. So first you need to mint the test sats and then mint this token. So to select the test sats, I'm going to click on this. So the pizza swap is live right now because it's been in under maintenance for a couple of days. So this is the swap link. The interface will look like this. For swapping, first you need to follow these steps. So first you need to deposit the tokens that you are gonna swap. So that's how it works. It not take like the EVM chained swapping mechanism. First you need to inscribe transfer the amount that you need to swap. So just follow these steps. So I connected my wallet. So it will ask for which token I need to deposit. So sign the wallet. So here you can see the tokens. So right now I have 2 tokens. So I'm going to select the test stats and I'm going to press the inscribe, and I'm going to select the amount of tokens I'm going to swap. So I'm going to enter 10,000. So I click next. Keep this fee rate as it is. Don't change anything. So next, click next and sign and pay. So this is how it works. So it will inscribe and transfer your amount to the swap pool. So done. Right now it's in the unconfirmed state. It will automatically turn into confirmed state in couple of minutes, depending upon the traffic. So wait for some time. So after the confirmation, you can able to see this transferable amount into how much the token you sent into the swap pool, the inscribable amount. So you can see here after the confirmation, it will get updated the swap balance equal to, for me this is 10,000. So I need to wait for a couple of minutes. So after confirmation, it will look like this. So you need to click deposit, pop up like this, and click deposit again and sign the transaction. So it's a long process. See, right now I got deposited and it will be updated in the swap balance. You need to go through this 10 check, then only it will get confirmed the transaction. So it will take around some time. So the swap balance is updated. So I'm going to swap around 1000 sats into the sats uni. So I got the quotation. So I'm going to click swap. I'm also going to click the swap. It will give me the pop-up. I'm going to sign this. So it will take quite some time for swapping the tokens. So you need to do this at least for 30 transaction for to be in the safe zone. If there is an airdrop, so you need to have the amount of transaction interacted. See, it's processing. So it will get updated in some time. So like the same thing, you also need to do the pools. You need to create the swapped tokens, or you can also add some other tokens if you have. So try to add with only test stats as the liquidity pair. So that's the thing. So complete all these steps and have at least around 30 to 50 transaction in a wallet. So if you guys want to check how many transaction you had in your wallet, so I gave the explorer link here. Click on here. So paste your wallet address here. See the all the transactions on the block sync or here. So for now I have 19 transactions and the UTX account is 9. So that's for today, guys. And don't hesitate to set up the node as soon as the video released. So that's the thing, because we got only 4 days. If they announce or give the reward for node runners, we may get something, but the node rewards are not confirmed yet. Let's hope for the best, because there are only few nodes are running on Fractalnet. We have a huge chance for getting the rewards, but everything is not promised. So don't get your hopes up. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our Telegram group. All the guides and links are available only in my Telegram and Twitter. I'll post the channel and Twitter link in the first comment. So hope into that. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.